Already created your FedEx Ship Manager account and want to create your first batch shipment? This video is all about getting started with batch shipping on FedEx Ship Manager. You can also find a handy click-through tutorial under Helpful Tips in the Batch Shipping section. What is batch shipping? Batch shipping is a way of processing multiple shipments at once, rather than one by one. You can upload a file with multiple shipments and then create shipping labels in other documents like commercial invoices for all the packages in one go. It's a faster and more efficient method for businesses that ship a lot and want to automate their process. How to create a batch shipping file. A batch can range from one shipment to up to 200. If you're not sure of how to lay out your Excel file, just use our example as a template for your first setup. You can download this from the Help section, which also goes into more detail on how to work with columns, like adding more, changing the order, or deleting ones that aren't required. When you're creating your file, remember to stick to the character limit while avoiding special characters. How to upload shipments. To upload your batch shipping file to FedEx Ship Manager, just hit Click to Upload in the Batch Shipping section and select the file from your device, or simply drag and drop the file into the Click to Upload area. Once you've uploaded a file, you can save the shipments in the batch as drafts, finalize them without printing, or finalize them in print, also known as one-click printing. More on that in the Print and Integration chapter later on. This is also where you can choose a shipment profile. Shipment profiles allow you to save details, like the name of the sender, and then apply them to the whole batch, so you don't have to fill out the same information again and again. Then simply click Start Upload, and you'll see shipments from your batch have been added to the queue and will be imported in a few moments. How to edit shipments. Once your batch shipment is uploaded, you can begin finalizing single shipments and editing them if needed. To start this, simply open the uploaded batch. You may see some of the shipments are marked as an incomplete draft shipment, which means they contain missing or incorrect information. To resolve this, click on the shipment you want to finalize and edit the details in the side panel or shipment form. For instance, you may not be able to finalize a shipment because the zip code is in the wrong format. In this case, change the zip code in the side panel. Downloading a shipment report. A shipment report gives you a full overview of your shipments in Excel format. You can download one by clicking on the three dots next to the shipment and then Download and Shipment Report. Alternatively, you can download one for a whole batch by clicking Download Shipment Report at the top of the screen. In the file, you'll be able to see any shipment errors in the Error column, as well as an estimated shipping cost and the tracking number of finalized shipments. Finalizing shipments. To finalize shipments that are ready, simply select them and click Finalize, or to print the labels, finalize and print manually. Some users can also choose Finalize and Print. More on that in the Print and Integration chapter later on. And you're done! You'll see the shipments now have a tracking ID, and you can print any remaining documents by selecting a single shipment or checking the box of multiple shipments and clicking Print Documents. The Print and Integration app. If you're looking for a way to process multiple shipments faster, you can download the Print and Integration app. It lets you connect your computer to FedEx Ship Manager, so you don't have to manually upload batch shipping files. It also allows you to enable one-click printing. To download it, just head to Settings and then Download, listed under Print and Integration. Batch uploads with the Print and Integration app. To have your batch shipments automatically uploaded to FedEx Ship Manager, head to Settings, Manage App, and you'll see the Print and Integration app has been connected. Click on it and then add a folder from your computer to the Local Watch folder field. This folder is now synced to FedEx Ship Manager, so when you add files to it, your batch shipments will automatically appear in the Batch Shipping section. One-click printing with the Print and Integration app. If you're using the Print and Integration app, you also unlock one-click printing. So when you upload a file, you can select the Finalize and Print Directly option. You can also click Finalize and Print within the batch, and if you have your preferred printer selected, your labels will print from there. If you need more information on the Print and Integration app, remember, you can go to the online help section in the tool. And that's how to get started with batch shipping and FedEx Ship Manager. Want to learn more? Head to the help section in FedEx Ship Manager at fedex.com.